Need to convert Microsoft Office files into LibreOffice-compatible formats. LibreOffice makes it easy to open and save documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in a variety of file formats. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert Office files in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Office file you want to convert. LibreOffice can open common formats such as Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations. LibreOffice may display a compatibility warning when opening some files, so review the document before saving it. Once the file opens, check the formatting and content carefully. Look at text, images, tables, formulas, charts, animations, or other elements that are important to your document. Some advanced Microsoft Office features may work differently in LibreOffice, so reviewing the file before conversion is a good idea. Next, open the File menu and select Save As. This lets you choose a new file name, location, and file format for the converted file. Using Save As also lets you keep the original Office file unchanged. Now choose the format you want to convert the file to. For example, you can save a Word document as an ODT file, an Excel spreadsheet as ODS, or a PowerPoint presentation as ODP. Take a moment to choose the format that best matches how you plan to edit, share, or open the file later. After selecting the new format, click Save. LibreOffice may display a confirmation asking whether you want to use the selected format or keep the original Office format. Choose the option to use the selected format when you want to complete the conversion. Finally, close the document and open the newly converted file. Check the formatting, content, formulas, images, and other important elements to make sure everything transferred correctly. So your Office file has now been converted and saved in a LibreOffice format, and that's how to convert Office files in LibreOffice. Open your Office file, review the imported content, use Save As, select the LibreOffice format you need, confirm the conversion, and verify the finished file. Keeping a copy of the original Office file is always a good idea when converting important documents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.